How to fix Instagram and extra security step is required. If you are seeing the an extra security step is required message on Instagram, it means Instagram is asking for additional verification to protect your account. And here is how to fix it. First of all, use a different browser or device. Try logging in from a different browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or use the Instagram app instead of a browser or vice versa. Here we can simply open the Safari app and search for the Instagram, and you can log into the Instagram and use it. And if it works, then the problem is within your app, or if it does not work in browser, then problem is within your browser. Now go back to the home screen, then tap on the Instagram app available there, and also make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the account center at the top. Once inside the account center, scroll down and tap on the password and security. Then make sure to enable your two-factor authentication. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.